Oh, I've got to save the princess. Hey, where's the Bowser? He's usually in here. What was that? Sounded like it came from over here. Princess? Toad?
I'm not a toad, I'm an orange.
Whoa, what did you do with the princess and Toad?
Toad? Is that like a frog?
No, it's more like, mushroom.
I know him. He's a fun guy.
All right, enough of the funny stuff. Are you ready to a fight?
Not really. I'm kind of hungry.
Well, then try on one of my spicy meatballs.
Meatballs? More like you're throwing boogers. Stop throwing boogers, Mr. Pick and Flick.
It's not a booger, and I'm not a Mr. Pick and Flick. I'm a Super Mario.
SpaghettiOs? I love SpaghettiOs.
No. It's a Super Mario, not Spaghetti-O.
Uh-oh.
What do you mean, uh-oh?
Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs.
Fireball.
Hey, SpaghettiOs, use a Kleenex already. Jeez.
Well, you know good 2-bit orange.
2-bit? I'm at least 8 bits.
Oh, don't make me take my gloves off. I can get a real mean when I want to. Just you ask my brother Luigi.
Did you say linguine? Your whole family's made of pasta. You have a sister named Ravioli?
Oh, you tell me where the princess is or else.
Or else what? Shell?
Shell? What are you talking about, you crazy orange?
Turtle shell.
Oh,
Whoa, SpaghettiOs is bite-sized.
oh great, you shrunk me. You like a big orange Rick Moranis.
Oh, don't worry, bite-sized SpaghettiOs. It could be worse.
Could it be worse? Now I'll never find the princess. How could it possibly be worse?
I don't know. Bullet?
A what?
Bullet.
Oh.
Oh, Super Mario. More like stupid Mario, right guys? I defeated Bowser and saved you guys hours ago.
Yeah, if by defeated Bowser you mean you annoyed the living crap out of him until he just got angry and left.
Whatever, Princess Apple.
That's Peach, thank you very much.
You're an apple.
Hey, you guys are still here? I told you already, get out of my dungeon, you freeloaders.